Xiaomi 14 Ultra available for pre-orders, worldwide shipping. Wherever you live, they will ship that smartphone for you. I have 2 stores. Choose whatever you like. There will be a link in the description for you for both stores. If you choose my link, click to my link and use my link to shop in those stores, you will helping this channel to grow. Please do that. I'll be much appreciated. Let's start with a G.SKILL, sorry. Let's see the prices. Like you can see, pre-order, they will ship from February 27th, so in a week like that, and just the pre-order. And the least expensive version will be, okay, color doesn't matter, yeah, $1,199. Ouch. That is an expensive smartphone. It is, but best in the best. What do you expect? Premium smartphone, premium price. Yeah, that's the, yeah. Well, this is the least expensive version. A little more expensive, so 16 gig. So basically, we have more RAM and twice more ROM. Extra $200, no, extra $100. So there's like no point to buy the least expensive one. Just $100, and you will get a fantastic upgrade. And the most expensive one, another $100. So I don't know. Okay, do you really need a terabyte of data in your smartphone? Maybe. But I think the middle one will be just nice and tight. This is a Chinese version, so English and Chinese at the moment. This phone supports those networks, so check your network is going to be compatible with your country. That is very important. And languages, yeah, processor, all kinds of function which I mentioned in the previous video. There's also a photography kit for $200. You can choose a color, black on white. Huh? Oh, okay, white, black on white, on black, no? Okay, this one looks cool. This one looks really nice. There's a photography kit, so you will get that extra grip, a cover, and some filters, stuff like that, for $200. All right, so that's that. 2 years warranty, European duty-free. You can ship to US or whatever country. You can switch for euros if you wanted to. You can switch to a different currency, whatever you like. There you go. Whatever. Switching to TridentZ, we do have 3 different sizes, 3 different colors. It's not like you have to buy a white one with this size. No, just click on it and change for a different color. That's how easy it is. A little less expensive, same date for the shipment, same date. Little less expensive, but I have a discount code for you. Discount code for both stores. Choose that discount code, hit add, and you will save some money. And if you worry about buying smartphones from sites like that, don't be. Look at this. Look at this. I've bought many smartphones from them, and they are gorgeous. Review coming soon. See you next video. Bye.